welcome to this class. In this class we'll talk about concepts of graphic design. And talking about graphic design, we have this concept called CGI, which is computer graphic imagery. And on CGI we have two types of image, the raster-based and vector-based. Raster-based images are composed of pixels, which are little square dots that joined together make the entire composition of the image. And on vector-based we have calculation formulas that create these shapes without the loss of resolution, and we'll talk about it later. The pixels images are also called bitmap images. So on Photoshop we work with bitmap images, and on Adobe Illustrator we can work with vectorial images. So on Photoshop we have bitmap images that are composed by dots called pixels. Therefore, if you zoom in, the image may appear like a burst with loss of resolution. So working on Photoshop, when you amplify the image or increase the image or make a zoom in, you can see this loss of resolution, these little squares, so you need to be very careful with it. And on Illustrator we work with vector images that are constituted of curved lines resulted by mathematical calculations. Therefore, you can increase or decrease an image without loss of resolution. Talking a little more about resolution, bitmap images has its resolution defined in ppi points per inch or dpi dots per inch. So every time you start a project on Photoshop or Illustrator, you have this information about resolution in ppi or dpi. How much bigger the ppi, better is the resolution, better is the image quality. And we have color modes. So two color modes. The first one, RGB, red, green and blue, are used for screen. So we have a minimum of 72 ppi as an ideal resolution for this type of project made for web or social media. And we have the CMYK, which is cyan, magenta, yellow and black, that are used for printing. And we have a minimum, an ideal minimum of 300 ppi. So these are the color modes for screen and printing. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this class. So let's start our project, our work directly on Photoshop. Wait for you in the next class. Thank you.